Have you ever seen a robot that can dance, or a pen that can scan everything? In this video, we will look at some awesome gadgets that you can use in your daily life. Links with the prices are in the description below, and please let us know in the comments what type of tech and gadgets you like. Let's go. Number 1. Table lamp. In today's digital world, we have to face the LED lights all the time. Due to this, our eyes are getting weaker and weaker every day. Nowadays, scientists are paying attention to this issue, and based on this, they have created a safe light for our eyes. The lamp has a flexible neck that can be folded and moves not just up and down but sideways, which can help you throw light at multiple angles. It is made with 3 grade adjustable brightness, so set it at low, medium, or high brightness. It's a portable lamp, so it is easy to carry wherever you go. Number 2. MI Smart Bulb. The MI LED Smart Bulb comes with an energy-saving design that emits 800 lumens of light and consumes only 10 watts of energy. This smart bulb has an average life of 11 years. This smart bulb gives you a choice to select the lighting as per your mood and requirements. It also comes with comfortable temperature and brightness control. The smart bulb can easily be controlled through the MI Home app. It can also be voice-controlled as it works with both Alexa and Google Assistants. It's capable of switching between 16 million colors. This smart bulb requires no additional hub or bridge. It creates an ambience for everything you like: parties, movie nights, or candlelight dinner. Number 3. Scan Marker. You don't need to type anymore because this scan marker literally takes your notes for you. You can scan your textbook and it types up your notes. So you have quality notes and you're saving a lot of time. This is up to 30 times faster than manual typing. The Scan Marker AirPan will transfer everything from your smartphone to the cloud. The Scan Marker has the translation feature that translates 50 languages or more. It serves as a barcode reader. It can scan black and white images that can be inserted alongside text into your documents. It comes out with a handy carrying pouch. It has a USB charging port on the back. It comes with a transmitter which you can plug into a computer and scan in real time to your computer. Number 4. MStick. It connects with your smartphone to control and customize the light through Bluetooth. You can make various functions of light in your life. Each category of the apps has its own functional light settings, such as sound visualizer and selfie light. Using your app data will help you keep your working out time. MStick tells you the weather update also. It has a G sensor, which is combined with an accelerometer and gyroscopes with a sensor, and they automatically make this animation when you ride on a bike. You can control your MStick with your smartwatch. You can write down the text or emoji or whatever you want and enjoy the festival in various ways. Number 5. GPS Tracker. Look at this tiny little product. This can be a handy gadget for you. It is a GPS tracker that allows you to track your bike or any device by your phone. It is a tiny gadget. You can put the SIM inside it and see the live location of any device. This gadget will protect you from having your product stolen during the trip. It can analyze daily stats such as total distance, run time, stoppage time, maximum speed and average speed of a vehicle using smart and interactive graphs. Number 6. Rolling Wheels. This is rolling wheels. It fits very nicely with your shoes. After it fits with your shoes, its light stays on when you walk. It doesn't look beautiful in daylight, but it looks nice at night. It will be a good choice for travel, running, playing, shopping, climbing, etc. Number 7. Spy Hidden Camera Pen. Take a look at the simple pen. It has a hidden camera inside the pen. But that doesn't seem to be a spy product. It's like a normal pen with an HD camera. It allows you to record HD video. If you want to see the recording footage, you need to open this pen like this. Then the videos can be viewed through a computer or laptop by taking out the memory card. It comes with a charging cable through which you can charge it. And the good thing is, you can also write with this pen. It supports up to 32 GB SD card. Number 8. DanceBot. Look at this mini robot. This smart robot knows how to dance. It is designed with a bioelectronics methodology. It's not programmed to dance but empowered by the leading algorithm to flow with real-time audio from your smart device. It is also suitable for music, audiobooks, and podcasts. Simply connect by Bluetooth and you're ready to go. It has a customizable message feature. It's a special greeting for any occasion. Number 9. Jinko Accordion Lamp. If you love decorating your house, this lamp is made for you. It is a lamp that can be shaped. It has a stand on both sides through which it can be adjusted with anything. It doesn't even need an alkaline battery because it is rechargeable and can be charged via a USB cable. You can use it horizontally and vertically. Number 10. inCharge X. This is a tiny universal ultra-fast keyring cable. inCharge X can charge Apple, micro USB, and USB-C devices from any USB or USB-C power source. With the magnetic system, you can snap it on your keys, a backpack, or wherever you prefer. This is extremely powerful. It allows ultra-fast charging up to 100 watts. It also supports OTG, so you can use your phone as a power bank. inCharge X is made of an aluminum alloy with military-grade aramid fiber and 200 braided copper wires, reinforced with double-weaving nylon fiber for increased durability. Number 11. Multi-Pen. This is 6-in-1 pen. You may be wondering what kind of pen it is. This is not an ordinary pen. This is a multi-purpose pen. After opening this pen, you will get a screwdriver. However, a compass has been placed on the pen. After opening it, you will find a torch, which you can turn on or off via the buttons on its side. It provides lovely light as a pen if we talk about its brightness. You can use it as a mobile stand also. Number 12. Earbuds Cleaning Tool. We all know that everyone's earbuds get dirty because they are used for a long time. It looks so nasty, which you don't want to show others. And we know that it is never possible to clean it completely. But this gadget can beautifully solve your problem. You can carry it anywhere. Number 13. MOFT. This is a laptop stand-around tailored perfectly for mobile working. The triangular structure makes it capable of holding up to 18 pounds. Most optimize your sitting posture, reducing neck pain. This stand is as light as a pen and thin as a coin. It's detachable and reattachable to your computer, giving it zero chance of falling off and leaving no residue on the surface. It's practically invisible, but still comforts your neck and shoulders anywhere you work. You can simply fold it when you need and unfold it when you're on the go. You don't need to carry around anything extra in your bag. Number 14. Fire Wallet. We all use wallets. When we buy something from the store, we take money out of our wallet. But just in case your wallet catches fire, how will the reaction of the people around you be? Let me know in the comments. There is a wallet that will fire whenever you open it. Now, you may be wondering, will it keep your money safe inside? Yeah, your money will be safe because there is a hidden compartment inside. Due to this, your money will be safe. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to click that subscribe button with the notification bell if you don't want to miss our upcoming videos.